Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tefleezy Fo Sheezy. Dude, today was it's an okay day for the market for me.
Another whack day. That's what it was.
Yeah, another whack day. We're really just biding our time until these small cap stocks are leaning in our favor. You know what I've been doing lately? I noticed this today. Like, my beard has been really tame lately. I've been brushing it. I've been using a beard brush. Like, I'm trying to.
Do you use beard oil as well?
It's beard butter.
Beard butter.
Shout out to the people at Cremo. Cremo is the people that make my my facial hair stuff.
How do you do that?
What do you mean? How do I grow a beard?
Yes.
Okay, so. Oh man, we'll get to that on the podcast. We'll talk about not proper grooming, obviously, but beard growth. But before we get to anything, make sure you hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy at bustdowninvestments.com. If you don't know a stock's proper entry, then you don't deserve that Bentley. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. I knew you'd like that one.
That's probably the best one yet.
I knew you'd like that one. Dude,
that was actually a good one. That was a good one.
Today, I'm on today.
Yeah, I know.
I got my creative juices going because it
was so funny. No, hold on. Sorry to interrupt, but I had you on speaker, right? And then Tanara was like, "What were you guys talking about? Ain't no business."
You know what? Let's put that down for another story on the podcast. That is such a funny story, though.
Yeah, she came in at the wrong time. She was like, "What were you guys talking about?" I said, "Don't even worry about it." It was so random.
Make sure you guys hit up our friends over at bustdowninvestments.com. John, the question here today is Nio to the moon?
No, not even Nio to 100.
Ah, man. If you guys want to know more about our thoughts, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up. If you guys gave us a thumbs down, somebody gave us a thumbs down yesterday?
Yeah, man. Whoever that was, man. Mama from the streets.
Well, okay, John, we're going to have to be real here with each other because only you and I watched this. So either one of us gave us one. I'm not one to give us one.
It was probably Jay.
Oh, man. Let's get to it. If you guys want us to cover any stocks, drop down in the comment section below. Let's get to it after this intro. All right, John, before we get to anything, make sure that we hit our member gains here. I'm going to put up member gains. Can you perhaps read that out for me?
It was decent today, actually. So let's pull up. You know what? I'm gonna pull up. There's actually more on Discord.
Oh, okay.
So these are the most notable ones. But yeah, let's pull it up right now. Because Nico over there is cooking dinner right now. So we got Nick the Sneak. Oh, BA, $200. Oh, nice. Yube made a nice $5 on Nio. I don't even know if I should put that up. Upstart by Juice.
Oh, that was solid.
Oh, 1,300.
Yeah, that was really solid.
1,300 for Upstart. Well, Upstart popped first of all, because of earnings, and then you also have Dung Buddy Tony. I think he did about 400 on Coin, COIN. Yeah. Crypto's hot again, first of all. And captain of the ship, Mr. JSP's himself. Yeah, he hit on everyone hit on Upstart today. He hit Upstart for 150, Novavax for 350, and then he took a slight loss on BA. Well, not bad. So he did about 500 for today. Great job, Jay. Mr. Sammy Sosa, little something. but he did. I think he did about 150, 170 for today. Ooh, Sammy's
Pretty
on board.
good. Yeah, Sammy's on the board. We like that. We
Sammy's
like
on board. Alvin, director of sales.
the director of sales himself.
Remember we talked about Caterpillar?
Yep.
He hit it. He hit it for 472 today.
Nice.
So, folks, yeah, we just don't talk about Boo Boo over here. Juice again. Mr. Burgundy. I'm sorry, Mr. Burgundy hit 200 for Nucor. Actually, Nucor was it most likely was mentioned on the bill as well. Ivan did about $80 today. Nice. There was actually a lot of decent gains today.
Yeah.
But those are the notable ones for today. So
nice. So if you guys want to know how to make these gains, make sure you guys join us on our weekly seminars at 8 p.m. every Wednesday. So there's one coming in today, Pacific Standard Time. We'll hop on there later on, and we'll talk about some trades. Let's get to it. Nio just reported earnings. John, what is going on with Nio?
So Nio actually did okay. All right. So for Nio, if you guys are in Nio right now, what you notice after hours really didn't do a whole lot. Okay. The reason being is because EPS and revenue was somewhat flat as well. Okay. They did not mention anything, anything new that's up and coming. Really, their EPS was minus 7 cents, so they lost money. Really, they really didn't earn that much for this quarter, so they lost 7 cents versus their estimate was about minus 11 cents. Okay, and then sales was about 1.31 billion. They did beat the estimate, which was 1.28 billion. Okay. Again, I think there must have been a slowdown last month when it comes to EVs because Tesla didn't do so well when it comes to deliveries. So who knows? Maybe July is pretty slow in China when it comes to ordering cars. I don't know.
It's still also the chip shortage.
Is it still really?
Yeah, that from my understanding is the chip shortage is going to last. Their estimates is 2023.
Man, so long AMD and NVIDIA.
Yeah, long AMD and NVIDIA. Qualcomm, you could even put Qualcomm in the mix too.
I'm actually so speaking of Qualcomm, I'm actually putting that on my dividend portfolio. So keep an eye on that one because I've been looking into Qualcomm, but it's just that I feel like it's still overvalued.
Yep. But let's take a look at after hours trading for Nio. Today ended at $43.97, and we were just waiting around for this. It hit a low of 43 after hours, then ultimately popping and selling off, and then just a choppy ride all the way through before ultimately ending at $44.48. Not a whole lot of movement, nothing that you would expect from an earnings move. So tomorrow,
I think people are confused.
People are confused. People don't know how to value this currently. I'm glad that this happened because I took some YOLO puts. Which you should. Don't do that, kids. Don't do YOLO puts on earnings. I took a teaser. I couldn't help myself.
Was it Friday expiration?
Yeah, of course. Like, does a bear shit in the woods, John?
What was the strike?
43.
Okay, that's not bad. You're not going to lose that much. Okay,
it's not bad. So I might.
It's going to open flat tomorrow. You're only going to lose on decay. So.
Yeah, but if it dumps tomorrow, I'm gonna start dancing. So let's see where this goes tomorrow. Again, this is there's no actual sentiment direction that was given to us after hours. And again, I can't implore you people. It's not an American company. Why are you buying? Wait, okay, go ahead.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Okay.
Yeah.
My question to you all degenerates out there. Okay, are you team Nio or are you team Tesla? That's it, plain and simple.
America all day. America all day.
America.
You know what movie I saw the other day? Team America, World Police.
I thought you watched like Rocky or something.
No. If I want to feel patriotic, it's Team America for me. It's always Team America.
No, it had to be Rocky, man.
No, I don't feel patriotic with Rocky.
Especially when, he made a comeback against that Russian.
Doesn't make me feel patriotic. Only
All
a
right,
few,
anyways.
only a few movies make me feel patriotic. Team America and Tropic Thunder. Oh, and The Mighty Ducks, too.
Tropic Thunder.
Tropic Thunder, one of the best movies I've created. Let's take a look at the next stock that we want to talk about. It's DoorDash. And we haven't talked about DoorDash in so long, but interestingly enough, I really do like DoorDash for tomorrow. Let's take a look at the daily first and foremost. This chart is pretty. So we've been seeing a trading range.
Oh wow!
Right, you know what I mean? You see it?
Yeah.
Right.
It's a nice doji.
Trading range right around here. Let's actually extend this a little bit more.
That's riding the EMA.
Right. It's been doing that. It's been like right around here. Let's just say that's the range that it's been trading at, right? And ultimately it broke yesterday and it tried to test it yesterday and it gave us a nice doji, right? It ended today at 190.56. If we take a look at the technicals here from a daily standpoint, they are reporting earnings tomorrow after hours. And dude, who doesn't order food?
Man,
you know what I mean?
DoorDash, it's DoorDash is a beast, man.
DoorDash is definitely a beast. So we're seeing here a MACD that's about to open up. One thing to note, however, is the after hours action. Look how it ended at 195.
Yeah,
that's a $5 move from close, and that's that's strong.
That's strong, yeah.
That's strong.
I think this is going to gap up tomorrow.
Yeah. So we're going to see a gap up tomorrow. If we go back to the chart, we're going to open up right here. Right.
It hit high. It hit high.
And it's not. We're actually trading at IPO pricing.
Yeah, because it's gone up and down within the range. So
we've been trading. This is IPO pricing, and I don't even think there's a gap that needs to be filled.
No.
It opens at 195 and we're rocketing, and it's going to ride that Bollinger Band. I think there are some how do you say this, day trade gains to me tomorrow. So
there's some momentum in this.
Yeah. So if my game plan for tomorrow is, although I am not going to hold this through earnings, I might take 3 contracts on this tomorrow and cut 2 at the top and let 1 ride through earnings. I don't know. For some reason, I feel confident about this.
I'd take the over on this one.
I think we doing this
for DoorDash. Yeah, DoorDash is a good company, man.
Let's go. DoorDash.
Actually, who else is reporting tomorrow? We also have Palantir.
Palantir reporting pre-market
tomorrow,
so that's definitely something to watch. And then Nio reports. Oh no, Nio reported today.
Nio already reported. So we have Wish. We have SoFi.
Dude, dump Wish. Like, why? I don't understand Wish.
Yeah.
I don't understand Wish. Disney tomorrow.
Disney after. Oh, we have a lot of. Oh, we probably might do like 3 to 4 earnings tomorrow. We got Disney, Airbnb. We got SoFi. Throwing some rocket in there too.
Is it a Friday DOS? Is it a Thursday DOS special?
I mean, we don't have to do Friday. Skip Friday and let's just get right through it.
Go ham. Let's go ham tomorrow. Let's go ham tomorrow.
Go ham tomorrow.
Let's go ham tomorrow. I like the hammer.
And on top of that, for all you degenerates in our Discord channel, if you hit all 4, I might throw in an extra kapow in there.
Oh, a 444 special. What's that? I remember your brother used to do that, like a burger that he cooks. He'll rack attack a burger. That was like my favorite thing that he does. All right, next stock that we want to cover is CLOV. Clover. Oh, SoFi reports tomorrow too.
Yep.
Yeah, so there's a lot of stocks tomorrow. Clover Health. John, CLOV is heavily shorted. Do you have the short interest on CLOV?
Let's pull it up right now. So for CLOV, remember, I think we've covered CLOV so many times in the past. Right now, short interest as of last month, actually, it's about 26%.
26%. So we've been trading in this channel for quite some time at $8. So it's shaved off 20 points.
Why did it pop? Was there news?
No, that was a short squeeze. Remember that this pop was due to hedge funds pumping Clover as opposed to AMC.
Man. We get all the crumbs.
We get all the crumbs. So it popped 28.85 and ultimately faded away. And we've been consolidating for quite some time now. No good movement whatsoever. However, they did report today, right? Yep, they did report today. They did report today, and they saw revenue. They saw sales. They beat estimates. 412 million in sales, beating the 205 estimate. What's their EPS like? What's that EPS looking like?
What's going on over here?
Let's see. I don't see the EPS anywhere. Do you see it?
No, because it's a damn SPAC, man.
It's not a SPAC anymore.
I know. It used to be a SPAC.
It used to be a SPAC, yeah. We're looking at potential guidance. I think it's high. They're seeing $1 billion in revenue for fiscal year 21. Interesting. $1 billion, John, $1 billion. They did move after hours, however. So we closed today at 813 and we moved all the way to 892. I was watching level 2 the entire time. We're seeing $9.
Man, if they're trying to project 1.4 to 1.5 billion in sales for Clover Health, hear me out, okay? Because I watch a lot of Shark Tank. Okay. Clover Health, if they're trying to project 1.4 for the year, 1.5, okay, if they're going to hit that, look at the market cap. The market cap's only 3.3 billion.
Yeah.
That's low. That's undervalued in my, honest opinion.
It's way undervalued. A lot of these names that we're, talking about, Clover, SoFi, Palantir, all the smaller cap. I mean, they're not small caps. They're over $1 billion, right? But they're way undervalued for what they're going to be reporting, I feel. Look at Upstart.
Yeah.
Crazy, right? So I think it's time to load up on some leaps on Clover for the long side. If we see more bullish sentiment tomorrow, just reminder, guys, Clover is one of those stocks that Wall Street Bets likes to pump. If we see some upward momentum on Clover, you might see some shorts covering. Because of positive news like this is just enough news for shorts to say, you know what, it's time. So once they start covering, we might see a squeeze. I think if you're going to load up on CLOV calls, what's the timeline on this? Do you have the option string?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Actually, there's January 2023.
They're cheap. How much is at the money right now?
Well, there's no $9. It goes from $7 to $10, which is a huge spread, by the way.
Yeah.
At $10, it's $3.50 per contract.
$3.50, right? I would take that $10 strike price because if we end up getting a gamma squeeze, that's gonna print.
Oh hell yeah!
Yeah.
2023. You're talking about 527 days to expiration.
You tripping? 2024 350. You must be high to not take that.
Yeah.
You must be high to not take that. I'm liking CLOV. I'm gonna take that tomorrow for sure, and we'll keep you guys updated on these trades as we go along. But that's pretty much it for today's episode of Daddy Bits. John, any last notable trades before we go?
Oh man, so tomorrow, I mean, let's just pray to the stock gods that Palantir gives us some great news, because it's been stuck in a range for the past 7 months now. Yeah. Don't forget Disney After Hours. That's going to be huge.
It's going to be fat.
Okay. I don't want no ScarJo, backlash again. That's coming out of the woods.
Mm-hmm. No. I don't want to come out of this trade looking like a nincompoop.
Or who's the other one? Emma Stone? She's trying to sue Disney.
Everybody's trying to sue Disney.
Man,
you don't fight the mouse.
Bunch of haters.
Did you see what they did? They took out all mentions of Scarlett Johansson from all Disney movies.
Dude's a giant, man. You don't mess with the mouse.
You don't mess with the mouse. Never mess with the mouse. Also, make sure that you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're new to trading, don't know what to do, don't know where to start, don't even know what a brokerage is, make sure that you guys join us over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. It's the truth, though. It's the truth. That's the most common question we ever get. Like, I'm tired of Robinhood. Where do I go? I'm like, dude.
Bustdowninvestment.com.
Bustdowninvestments.com. We'll take you there. Also, make sure you guys follow us on all social media. Follow me at John C Trades. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Right? Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because if you gave us a thumbs down,
your mama from the streets.
From the streets. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.